Hi, Western Canada. This video is for your second Pick 3 pair method video. For your region, I wasn't seeing that your region has pair play, but I wanted to go ahead and just show you a second video on how I would go about finding the 2 digits in the next 7 to 14 days. If you are new here, I will link a video for my first video of doing this. So before watching this video, make sure you check that out first if you are new. And I will link that. It should pop up on your right hand side of the screen there, most likely anyway. Okay, so for this video, basically your region likes Mondays for this method. For your region, it seems to like a 7-day length on this. I know I just said 14 days, so disregard that. I'm going to stick with the 7 days there. And then when you're testing this yourself, you just want to go back 1 month to test the method out. Okay, so basically, when I go back for 1 month, that places that about November 5th. On that day, you had 586 fall. And then from that 586, basically, what you're looking for either a 5-8 pair, an 8-6 pair, a 8-5 pair, a 6-5 pair, or a 6-8 pair to show up basically in the next 7 days. In this case, you did have a 6-5 front pair with 6-5-4 on November 11th. And then what you'll do, so since your region likes Mondays, every new Monday you're just going to restart the method. So on November 12th, you had 2-5-1 fall. From that, in the next 7 days, you had 5x2 hit, or 5, it was basically a split pair with 5-3-2 on November 16th. Okay, and then same thing, you're going to, the new Monday, November 19th, you're doing not the new method, you're doing the process again. So from 503, you had a 3-0 front pair with 3-0-5 on November 21st. You also had the 0-5 back pair with 3-0-5 on November 21st. And you also had a 3x5 split on November 21st. And that all came from the number 3-0-5. Okay, so on, you also had a 3-5 front pair on November 26th with 3-5-7. And then that day was a Monday, but you're still going to include it because it's within that 7-day range. Okay, so the same thing on that new Monday, November 26th, 3-5-7 fell. So you're still going to do the same process. You would basically be looking for a 3-5 front pair, a 3-7, or not necessarily a 3-5 front pair. The pairs you are looking for would be a 3-5, a 3-7, a 5-7, a 7-3, a 5-3, or a 7-5. And then in this week, it did not work this week for this method. In some cases, what I would recommend in that case is to extend that out for another 7 days. And then if nothing comes from that, then I would start over the process then after the next 7 days. Okay, so based on what I covered, the potential pairs in the next 7 days, I'm not going to use 3-5-7 for this this example here, or not example, but this part of the video. I'm actually going to use the 506 that fell today. So in the next 7 days, the potential pairs are going to be coming from that 506. And then based on the patterns in the video, you might have like a 5-0 front pair, a 5x6 split, or not X, so ignore that, but it's like, it would be like a 5 and then a digit in between and then a 6. So like 516, 526, etc. Same thing with the 0-5 there, 0-5 split pair. And then potentially a 0-5 back pair, a 6-0 back pair, or a 6-5 front pair. So with some of these, so like the 6-0 could reverse, so you could have like a 0-6 back pair, or like a 5-6 back pair, or the split pairs could reverse, so, or show up together. So just for an example, I really like that 5-6 right there, because you have 5-6, if you reverse it down there, and you also have the 5x6 split right there too. So I really like that one. And then that 0x5 may reverse too, so it could be like a 5x0 split. Okay, Western Canada, that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comment section.